Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure React with Material UI for accessible interfaces, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure React with Material UI for accessible interfaces, start by creating a new React application. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myapp. Navigate into your application directory with cd myapp. Next, install Material UI by running npm install at mui/material at emotion/react at emotion/styled. After the installation is complete, open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the src folder and open index.js. Import the CSS baseline component from Material UI at the top of the file. Add CSS baseline / just above your main app component in the render function. This sets a consistent baseline for styles and improves accessibility across browsers. Now, return to the src folder and locate your app.js file. Start by importing Material UI's component library, such as button and typography. Replace your existing components with Material UI components for a more cohesive design. Ensure you are using semantic HTML where possible, such as using typography for headings and text. Add alt text to any images using the alt attribute to ensure they are accessible to screen readers. Next, enable keyboard navigation by ensuring all interactive components can be tabbed into. For custom components, add role attributes to clarify their function where appropriate. Utilize the accessibility features provided by Material UI. Most components come with built-in support for screen readers. For instance, you can add ARIA labels to your buttons to describe their action clearly. Regularly test your application using a screen reader to identify any potential accessibility issues. Use tools such as the Lighthouse Audit in Chrome DevTools to evaluate and improve your accessibility score. Lastly, remember to document your accessibility considerations as part of your development process. This will help maintain accessibility standards as your application grows. Your React application is now configured with Material UI for accessible interfaces. Continue building your application with these practices in mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.